Hi guys, and welcome back to Tips and Pips, and we're going to be analysing the Nasdaq 100. However, before I get started, if you haven't done so already, please feel free to join my Telegram group where I share market research and analysis and trading signals and entries. You can join by scanning the QR code on your screen, and also the link is in the description of this video. And as I mentioned guys, it is completely free, so why not go check it out and give it a go. So moving on to the Nasdaq 100, price is currently at $11,817, and we are at our 0.5 on the Fibonacci retracement, which is a lovely level. And for myself, me and the team, we did have an open and a long opportunity as of Thursday and Friday last week. We did make gains at, had the CPI reading, and we also had the fundamental news from the crypto world, where it's completely tanked, and a lot of investors have withdrawn their money from the crypto markets and invested it into something a little bit more stable, which is what the Nasdaq 100 is, along with gold and crude oil. And that is where we've seen this very nice rally. We're seeing both EMA slowly curve out and being less of a decline, which is quite a bullish and lovely sight to see for investors especially. But in regards to trading, any short-term trading advice and ideas, personally, I think Nasdaq 100, I've been fairly bullish on Nasdaq 100. How high we go, I wouldn't be able to say at the moment. I think we possibly could get some form of rejection off of our 50-day 200-day EMA, sorry. Alternatively though, if we open strong today and we go push past our 0.5 on the Fibonacci retracement, and we push past our 200-day EMA, we could very likely go and test back up to the 12,000 region, which is a real key level in the Nasdaq 100. We hit our 0.6 Fibonacci retracement level on the COVID lows to the COVID highs, which is a very bullish level, and we have consolidated around there for quite some time. And as I mentioned, I did expect to see that. We had broken out of our short-term downward trend, which we've been in since the 16th of August. So this is a very nice pattern forming here. We've got that nice rejection candle here where we had an entry, which is fantastic. We tested our 0.6. We also tested our downward trend line, and the fundamentals were with us in regards to this is such a great opportunity for investors. The Nasdaq 100, which is a pool or a basket of the top 100 tech stocks in the US, and we was at a $6,500 discount, and that is a fantastic investment opportunity for the long term. However, for the short term, myself, I'll be looking at how today's session closes and tomorrow's session, and look for possible entries. If we get some form of bearish candle off our 200-day EMA, we'll possibly look at a shorting opportunity. This doesn't take nothing away. We are still in a recession, so we do need to be very careful with the Nasdaq 100. But ultimately, a lot of investors are putting their money in something a lot more stable than crypto, which has caused this bull run, and is at a fantastic price in regards to its all-time highs. Other than that, we were in our key range in our Fibonacci, and we have broken out of a downward trend. So everything's telling us that we are going to continue to be bullish. So for myself, I am quite bullish until we see anything further. But we must remember, we are still in a recession, so therefore we could see a bearish run for a few sessions anytime.